When I say hello, there is silence. 3, I ask, who's there? 4, there is more silence. Hi, I know someone is there. 6, he or she is hiding between the boxes. 7, finally, I get up and walk over. 8, what a surprise. 9, it is an old man. 10, he is hiding between the boxes. 11, I say, excuse me, but who are you? 12, the man answers, leave me alone, please. 13, he speaks perfect English. 14, I ask, what are you doing here? 15, he says, I'm traveling to Barcelona. 16, I ask, does the driver know you're here? 17, he says, no, he doesn't. 18, I got into the lorry while you were talking to him. 19, I say, I see. 20, suddenly the driver stops. 21, he gets out and walks towards the back. 22, the old man looks at me with concern. 23, he asks, why did he stop? 24, I say, I don't know. 25, there is a sound at the back door. 26, the man says, I have to hide. 27, the driver comes into the lorry. 28, he only sees me. 29, the old man is hiding behind the boxes. 30, the driver asks, what's going on in here?
31, I say, nothing.
32, he asks, who were you talking to? 33, I say, me? Nobody. 34, there's no one else here. 35, can't you see? 36, the driver says, listen. 37, we're not in Barcelona yet. 38, be quiet. 39, I don't want any trouble. 40, understand. 41, I reply, I understand. 42, the driver closes the door. 43, he goes back to the driver's seat. 44, at the same moment, the old man comes out from between the boxes. 45, he looks at me with a smile. 46, he says, I'm lucky that he didn't see me. 47, I say, yes, you are. 48, I ask, why are you traveling from Valencia to Barcelona in a lorry? 49, he asks, do you really want to know? 50, I say, yes, of course. 51, he says, allow me to tell you a little story. 52, I say, please. It's a long ride. 53, the old man tells me his story. 54, he says, I have a son, but I have never met him. 55, his mother and I were together many years ago. 56, we weren't really a perfect match. 57, but I loved her. 58, then I went to the United States. 59, it was for a job opportunity. 60, the job didn't go well. 61, I couldn't get back. 62, he pauses. 63, then he continues. 64, she moved away.
65, I never saw her or my son again.
66, recently I found out where they are. 67, I ask, in Barcelona? 68, he says, exactly. 69, I ask, how old is your son? 70, he says, he's 24. 71, I say, that's the same age as me. 72, the old man laughs. 73, he says, what a coincidence. 74, I say, yes, it is. 75, after a few minutes of silence, I get up to stretch my legs. 76, I ask the man, what's your son's name?
77, he says, His name is Armando.
78. He has a flat in Barcelona. 79. It's in an area near the restaurant, the Crazy Paella. 80. That's why I'm in this lorry. 81. The Crazy Paella is also known as La Paella Loca in Spanish. 82. The man in the lorry is my friend Armando's father.